Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring our continual blossom, opening up to the truth that we are forever growing, changing, and learning. To begin, I invite you to find a comfortable seated position. Whether on the floor, a chair, mother surface, ensure that your back is straight and your neck is aligned with your spine. You might like to stretch your arms out gently before letting them fall and rest wherever they are comfortable. Gently close your eyes, and as we so frequently begin these meditations, tune into the natural ebb and flow of the breath. There is no need to change the breath in any way. Simply notice if it changes on its own. We often find that when we allow things to shift on their own, they naturally move towards peace and harmony. Pull your shoulders back ever so subtly on your next full breath, allowing your heart space to open up with grace, confidence, and radiance. As you continue to breathe mindfully, allow the breath to move through the heart. Explore an expansion on each inhalation and a softening on each exhalation. Continue to breathe in this way on your own for a short while now, as you settle into this space in preparation for our exploration. What does it mean to blossom? And do we ever reach a final stage where all is fully unveiled to us, where our potential has reached its peak? While we might yearn to reach our fullest potential and stay there, away from the messiness of human challenge and triumph, human life is complex. No matter how euphoric or fully fleshed our experience might seem in one moment, the contents of life are in a constant state of flux. In other words, nothing stays the same forever. Like flowers, we are bound to the same laws of nature, the life and death cycle. Though as humans with incredibly intricate minds and creative potential, our life and death cycle can be experienced infinite times in one life. As old parts of ourselves die away, whether due to a change in life circumstances, a challenge, or a triumph, we learn and grow, blossoming again and again with ever-deepening realizations. When we put aside any expectation to arrive in some final state that is free of worry, discomfort, or challenge, and as we open to the notion that our challenges are opportunities to learn, evolve, and blossom, our hearts open with curiosity. In other words, as we begin to embrace the continual blossom of human life, we find greater peace and joy amidst its flow. To explore this, take a moment to reconnect with your heart space, watching your breath flow through you with ease. Now, in your mind's eye, begin to harness an image of a future version of yourself. Make it the you hope to evolve into in 5 or 10 years' time. Note the qualities and virtues that this you embodies, the way they carry themselves in whatever environment you see them in. Feel in your body what it is like to have blossomed in this way, what it is like to be fully in your body here. Explore it for a few more breaths. Now, even though you have just conjured an image of your future self, the experience of blossoming is happening within you at this very moment. There is no doubt it will occur again in your future, but it is also right here, right now, simply through your having evoked the qualities of your empowered self. Life will continue to flow, bringing the highs and lows, feelings of fullness and emptiness. But at any moment, whether in a large way or small, we might explore our potential to blossom again. Take just a few more moments to yourself now as you tune into the heart space, opening it up to welcome a full blossom right here and now. And then silently repeat the following words. I am forever in blossom. Forever growing in beautiful and wise ways. Take just a few final breaths here, observing the natural ebb and flow of its rhythm. And then draw your attention to the sensation of the ground beneath you. When you are ready to return, gently open your eyes to the world around you. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again.